Welcome, I'm sdkelley. I needed something to hold tiny craft project pieces that I use quite frequently. And so I came up with this idea from the Dollar Tree. Kind of has a more modern look to it, but I really do like the way it turned out, and it has been proven to be very efficient in making certain crafts. Before we get started, I just want to show off my glue gun station that I made. I got these pieces from Dollar Tree, and of course I cut the glue sticks down to fit in here fine, but I put this splatter, it was silver, I painted it this gold color a while back, and all my glue sticks fit in this baker's pan perfectly, which I got from Dollar Tree as well. And I had put magnetic strips along the top sides of the baker's pan so that everything stays in place. Taking a pizza pan from Dollar Tree, I attached a piece of rope a few inches long, and this is where it's going to hang. And I had left some tails at the end. I just attached it with hot glue, and now I'm going around the pan attaching this rope, and I'm going to take that long tail piece that I'm using for the hanger, I'm going to tie it in a knot around this piece that I'm gluing around the pan. And I'm going to do that to both sides. And this just gives it more structural support so that this magnetic storage bin's not relying on the glue alone. I do apologize in advance if after upload that this video is a little bit off of the camera. It can be tough being a one-woman show sometimes, so I can't always see what I'm doing, but I do my best to try to keep it on camera. And I did try to adjust it on my video software some too as well. But I'm just going around, and I had already tied at the top the knots around this rope, and I'm just going to trim those down. I picked up these really pretty butterfly decal wall stickers from Dollar Tree a while back, and I'm just kind of gently laying them around the pan. I'm not really quite sure how I want them yet, so I'm not pressing them down too hard. I cut a couple of pieces in half to put along the border. I really like the jewel tone colors of these butterflies. It has like a stained glass kind of look to them almost. And I really like butterflies just for the fact that I just look at them and think how spiritually liberating they are, or they represent that to me. I like dragonflies as well for the same reason, and they're both very pretty. If you decide to paint this pan and the containers, you might want to apply like a clear sealant to it afterwards just to help prevent chipping over long-term use. However, I really liked the way that these containers just happen to match the pans so perfectly. Kind of gives a more modern look instead of rustic, but for crafting organization, it works out perfectly. I welcome any comments or suggestions from my viewers. And I also welcome you sharing any projects that you've done that may be similar to this. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I have many more great ideas to share with you. If you're interested in following me on social media or contacting me, I'll put those links in the description below. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.